Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, my dear lovely viewers. And for my new viewers, please, if you're just coming, I believe you must have gone through the channel and see a lot of educating videos and helpful videos as well. So don't forget to click on that subscribe button and also click on that bell sign to turn on notification for all my videos. So this time around, this video will be, as I promised earlier in my previous video, that I'll be making a video on how to claim this ICP NFT, how to claim it, and also how to list it on ICP swap so that you can list it for sale. So here, this is how to go about it. This is the link. As you can see, ICP always looks different in every aspect. You can see link how it even looks like, because they always show you that yes, it's internet of computer. So that's internet computer protocol. That's the name, and that's the project is mainly about is how to do it, showing how technology, how great computer technology is. So now this is how the platform looks like, which I'll be dropping the link in the video description section. And now, please don't joke with most of these NFTs. I know how worldly most of ICP NFTs can be. So just please take this serious. And I hope you are claiming when it's not too late. So that's why I always want to turn on notifications. So once you do this, the first thing you need to do, make sure you already have ICP wallet. If you're using your mobile phone, all you need is ICP wallet. Then you just have a wallet, ICP extension. Your either Kiwi browser is. I would recommend you to always use Kiwi browser when it comes to things that has to do with extension. So use Kiwi browser, and for PC you can use either Chrome, Edge, Yandex, anyone. Just make sure you use the one that supports it's almost all of them supports the this is the extension. So here is the extension. Once you know you've make sure you import the wallet you want to use. Make sure you import the right wallet, and which is the wallet you want to connect to this platform. Maybe you want to use your Bona wallet, make sure that's what you have in the extension. So that's that. So here, all you need to do is click on connect to plug, click on connect to plug, then click on allow. Just allow, you can see it's connected now, even though you can't see where they show connect, but at least you can see where you mint secret box, the NFT you want to mint. Let's see. I hope I'm not too late, because it's been a while since this thing started. I've been prolonging it. I don't want to do it because I want to make a video so that everyone can see how I go about it also, so that we can all mint together. Check your wallet for the box. Airdrops every few days. So you see, you can be doing it every few days. Just come back to this same website every time. Come back and check. When you check, you find the airdrop there. Can always check. They said we should check your wallet for the box NFT airdrops every few days till the end of the countdown. So now, for now, you can see we need to check now to see if it has dropped or not. It simply means it may not drop now, it may drop in a later day. So always check before the countdown to just make sure you receive the NFT. Always check every single day. So now let's come here. So you can see this is the box. It has dropped in my wallet already. So it has dropped. This is it. So the English here, they said check your wallet for the box NFT airdrops every few days till the end of countdown. So probably since we've claimed once, I will suggest we come again next time. If there's still option for you to claim again, you claim again. But if there is no option, maybe probably they will always, since you've claimed once, maybe they will always share NFT to those who claim this secret box. And they will always, so we'll always check our wallet. Just try to make sure you always check your wallet every time to see if they send you more. So now what I'll do is this. Since we have our NFT here, you can see this was baby arrow I dropped. You can see now it's now two. It's now two. The box is now two, because as I told you, they said we should always check our wallet to confirm if. So let me do this. Let me just refresh the page. Let's see if there is possibility of it coming back again. So you see, it's still showing the same thing. So what I'll do now is I'll be coming after few days or few hours, because I've done it today. Though then I didn't really, I just tried it to see how it works. but now it shows I have two. Probably maybe the one I tried earlier actually went through. So that's why I have two now. So now you can always do. So let me show you where you list your NFTs in ICP Swap, which I've already done. This was the previous one I actually listed. So now I'll go to my wallet, go to wallet again. So this is my wallet. These are the NFTs I have. You can see this is baby Arof, which I have. Then the other ones are 00000. So now I'll need to add NFT. So now I'll search for the box. It's not showing anything. I think we might need to look for contract address for the box. Make it easy for us. So this is what I'll do. Box. Okay, let me look for their Explorer. I actually just checked on their Explorer and I find out this project, it's a new project. They are trying to use this airdrop for promotion. So they are actually here to list the airdrop. So for you to know, you can check on the details of the airdrop. You can see airdrop about airdrop pointer for promotion. So it's actually a new project. They are yet to launch. They are not even on ICP Explorer yet. But for the purpose of promoting their drop, they are giving out free drops to people within these few days, within this period, 23 days left. So make sure you just claim. I just hope you turn on notification and you're watching this. So this is how the NFT looks like. I will play it for you to see how it looks like. It's more like a GIF NFT. See it, you can see how it's moving. That's the NFT, and I've gotten two already. Hopefully, when I come back again tomorrow, or next tomorrow, or whatever, whichever day I come back, I may be able to claim more. The last one I check, I always tell you guys, the one I knew was worth close to $300. I also check this one as well. It's almost, I think it's similar airdrops. Let me just see. Let me check and see how it looks like. So it's actually the same. You can see it's the same. You can keep claiming as much as you can for the number of days that is left. Just take advantage of these things, please. We don't know how much it will worth yet, but I believe no matter how much it's worth, it won't it won't be that disappointing because most of these things we are actually getting them for free. Not as if we are spending gas fee to get them or something. So even this wallet, as you can see, I don't even have any token in the wallet, and I claim NFTs 0.000. That's the ICP I have in the wallet, the Bona wallet. I don't even have anything. So most of their airdrops here, you don't even need any amount to claim. Just claim them for free. When they get listed, there any amount it comes out to be. If you can wait, hold on for the NFT to grow in value, you hold on. If you don't want to, you sell at the current rate you see the project. So that's how to go about most of these airdrops. Sometimes all you need is patience. So thank you very much for watching the video, guys. Very soon I'll be dropping a video on how to for both every African, like mostly Nigerians, on how to get your PayPal that will work for you as a Nigerian. So you get to know how to have your own PayPal to receive and send funds at the same time. Thank you very much. See you in my next video. Don't forget to turn on notifications so that you can receive notification for the next video coming. Bye, guys.